Everyone is going crazy with Netflix acquisition of Warner Brothers 3. But the real surprise is the insane 2026 lineup of original films that Netflix has got ready for us. From huge crowd-pleasing blockbuster to bold new ideas and long-awaited sequels, there is always something for everyone. Here is a fast rundown of the biggest releases Netflix has planned for the next year. Let's dive in.
Thomas Ernest Malone, ex-cop.
You think I want to jack this rip?
I don't trust you right now, and that's a fucking problem.
AWTGG. What does it mean?
Enola Holmes 3. Enola Holmes is returning to Netflix with an exciting new chapter, and the hype around Enola Holmes 3 is already building. Once again, Millie Bobby Brown steps into the role of the sharp and fearless young detective, while Henry Cavill is also expected to return as her legendary brother Sherlock Holmes. Now Enola beyond the streets of London and into a brand new setting with the mystery reportedly unfolding in Malta. The film is directed by Philip Barentini, marking a fresh creative touch for the franchise. According to early updates, this new adventure will feel darker and more mature than the previous two films. Peaky Blinders: The Immortal Man. After dominating Netflix with 6 banger seasons, Peaky Blinders is finally making its big return with the sequel movie titled Peaky Blinders: The Immortal Man, directed by Tom Harper and written by series creator Steven Knight. This much-awaited film continues the story after the events of the final season. The plot is set in 1940 during the early days of World War II, where a changed world forces Cillian Murphy as the iconic Tommy Shelby to face his most dangerous chapter yet. The films also add exciting new cast members with high-stakes action and emotional depth. War Machine. War Machine is an upcoming Netflix sci-fi action movie that's already creating serious hype. Directed by Patrick Hughes, the film stars Alan Ritchson in the lead alongside a strong supporting cast that includes Dennis Quaid, Jay Courtney, and Stephen James. The story follows a group of elite final stage recruits inside a brutal special forces training program during the last 24 hours of their selection. Adventures of Cliff Booth. The Adventure of Cliff Booth is a spin-off to the 2019 hit film Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, and it finally brings back one of the most memorable characters from that movie. Brad Pitt returns as Cliff Booth, but this time the story jumps ahead to 1977, 8 years after the original event. Cliff is no longer working as a stuntman. Instead, he becomes a Hollywood fixer, the kind of man who quietly cleans up dangerous problems behind the scenes. The movie is directed by David Fincher and written by Quentin Tarantino, which already promises a style and intense experience. Narnia: The Magician's Nephew. Narnia: The Magician's Nephew is getting a fresh new movie adaptation, and this time it is not a sequel. It is a brand new beginning based on the very first Narnia story by C.S. Lewis. This upcoming Netflix film takes us to the moments where all the magic truly begins. The story follows two curious kids, Tiggy and Polly, who accidentally travel to other worlds through dangerous magic created by Dagger's uncle, R.I.P. The Rip. The Rip is one of the Netflix biggest crime thrillers coming on January 16, 2026. From the first trailer alone, it looks like a fast-moving thriller made for action. It brings Matt Damon and Ben Affleck back together on screen. The movie follows a team of Miami police officers who discovers a huge stash of cash hidden inside an abandoned house. At first, it feels like the kind of find that could change their lives, but once word gets out, everything starts to fall apart. It aims for an old-school thriller vibe with rising paranoia. Apex is an upcoming Netflix thriller that brings Charlize Theron, Taron Egerton, and Eric Bana together in a tense survival story. In the film, Tyrion plays a skilled rock climber who escapes into the wilderness after a painful personal loss, hoping nature will help her heal. Animals. After wrapping work on Joe Carnan's upcoming thriller R.I.P., Ben Affleck is directing and starring in a new kidnapping thriller for Netflix called Animals, and it's shaping up to be one of the streamer's most intense releases of 2026.